I wanted to give, I think he's still on. James, is James still on? James I asked him to give an update on just because I know there were some questions about the sustainability work that they did and where the state group is before we go to our next panel. James, would you mind just giving us an update on that legislation and where things are and how folks might be able to plug in? Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely. And thanks, Eric. I'm just so glad to see all the hard work that you all have done on this issue. So I'm James Povijua, and I'm the former policy director for the Center for Civic Policy. And I'm also the chair, the vice chair of the Sustainable Economy Task Force, and its chair of its advisory committee. So really quick, what that is in 2021 legislature, the Power for New Mexico Coalition, which either you've heard from already or you will in the next panel, worked very hard to create a committee to work on a long-term sustainable economic development plan for the state, specifically to transition it away from an economy, well, to position it in a way that it can generate an economy that is regenerative. So an economy that doesn't destroy our air, land, and water. So I'm so happy to be serving on that committee, and I'm very happy that there are plenty of inroads in my position as chair of the Community Advisory Board to have lots of interactions with the experts within our business community and our community at large. I will put my contact information into the chat, and I will also direct you to the New Mexico Economic Development Department's link to the Sustainable Economy Task Force. The task force is led by the Economic Development Department and has all of the key cabinet secretaries or their designees from state departments. So we're very excited about what can be accomplished, and I'm very happy that this group exists. I look forward to working with you all in the future.
Thank you so much, James. And I can't tell you how excited some of us are that for the great work that you and all of the other partners did to get this really to be part of the state plan, right? Because it's always been sort of an afterthought often, and there's no home for it. So we're really just want to commend you and all the groups that worked on that, and encourage folks on this call to figure out how to get involved, even if it's just to keep an eye on things. So please reach out to James and the task force so that we can stay engaged, because it's a great mechanism for us to move this work that we've been talking about for the last few hours.